Dazers. So this is our bathroom at the hotel. This is the bathroom. The shower is really nice. You just don't want to get out. And the tub, haven't tried the tub yet. And the toilet. I like the structure of the sink. Place is nice. We actually got compensated for one of the nights, apparently. There's TV in the bathroom, go figure. So it's a king. I don't know why I feel like this bed is too small. Yeah, it's supposed to be a king size bed. It just, I guess our bed is the Californian king, so it feels bigger. There's the closet. And there's a balcony. Let me show you guys the balcony. We might chill here tomorrow. Right now, I have to get ready for dinner. But here's the balcony. It's a nice little space for morning coffee. But because of the pandemic, again, a lot of things are closed. Most of the things are closed. You don't currently get the luxury that you normally would get. But yeah, this is the Cincinnati by Hilton. Cincinnati Hotel. We're on the 6th floor. I believe there are like 10 floors. Something like that. Or 8 maybe. But yeah, it goes all around. Alright, I'm gonna go try to chill a little bit and then get ready for dinner. Alright, see you guys when it's dinner time, inshallah. Hey Dazers, we are finally set, ready to go out for dinner. We're not late, but almost late, so we need to get going. All done. It's a monochrome today. And this is the fit today. Rocking my Cosette necklace. And this is, I don't know if you guys remember, my sir bought me this for Eid. This is my Eid present from my sir. So I feel like my hijab is like a little crooked, but I can't seem to get it right. I don't know what you guys think. I tried. Oh, in case if you were wondering, the henna design is by Zuleika. Check her out on Instagram, Zuleika BTB. I think that's what it is. Okay, so we're heading out. Show you guys when we get there, inshallah. All right, see y'all. Hey Dazers, we made it to our reservation for dinner, and guys, I wish you could see the view here. It is spectacular. It is breathtaking. Like, I'm in awe. Like, subhanAllah. This is nothing. I don't know what level we're on, but actually I think this is the first level, but we're on a mountain. Like, I guess it's a mountain or a hill. Like, yeah, this is the first floor of the building. I'll show you guys on our way out if I don't forget. But this is the first floor. Imagine, can you imagine if this was like the top level? And this is the view of the city. Look at that. SubhanAllah. All around us. This is the city of Cincinnati. Wow, wow, wow. I want to move to Cincinnati. Like, it is very mountainous and beautiful. Like, I wonder what the cost of living is here. I have to do my research, but Cincinnati's view, it's just dead. I don't know why it's dead. It's totally dead. But they have breathtaking views everywhere. It is spectacular. We have our candle. There's candle burning, and this is the menu. Yeah, I'll probably go with this. And obviously, I'm going with this because no haram business here. So we're just gonna be pescatarians today. And I'm gonna have to ask them if there's any alcohol in this. But if there isn't, then I'm gonna go with this. But if there, most likely there's alcohol in it. I have to ask them basically about everything to make sure there's no alcohol, because Italian food use a lot of alcohol or in their desserts and their meals. And some people are really having a good time. Hear that laughter? Oh, 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 oh. Alright. So, yeah. Let me help this thing. It's dark in here, but do y'all see this? Let me flex a little bit. Huh. Marine flex my purse. Here's our dinner. Check that out. I was discussing with Daze the other day. Oh Lord, somebody's laughing so loud. I was talking about how you pay for the experience and not for the food, because this is like, look at my fist. My fist is bigger than the meal. So you just pay for the experience, basically. The beautiful view, that's what we paid for, not the meal. It's all good. Love the candlelight. Here's dessert. Hey Dazers, just came to Kentucky, Newport, Kentucky, to the Newport Aquarium, and we're just going up now. Just got valet parking. This is Newport. We're at Newport Aquarium. And look at that. This is right above us. So cool.
That was like third and second grade.
Love it.
So these are really fun. You can bet a shark later. Yeah. No, I think they have that open, right?
They should.
Sharks can't get cooked. Sharks can't get cooked.
Look at that. The cutest little thing. Look at this stingray. So adorable. Very human-like. Scary looking fish. Little skate. So they're actually called little skates. Oh, right here. So it's a little skate, not a stingray. Wow. So stinking cute. My goodness. This one scares me. Oh my God. Whoa. It is huge. Subhanallah. here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Whoa. MashaAllah. Subhanallah. Check out the turtle. It's here.
Where's the turtle at? MashaAllah.
Wow, check out the seahorse. I don't know if I've ever seen like live seahorse, like close up like this. Oh my gosh, look at them. So pretty. MashaAllah. Wow. Wow, check out these upside down jellyfish. Wow, that's a red lionfish. So breathtaking. Wow, check out that eel. Oh, scary looking.
That cute alligator wanted his mother.
Wow. How tiny they are. Bye, you baby. Oh, so soft, slippery. This is the Penguin Palooza. Made it to the gift shop. I want to get everything for the kids. But I got these binoculars from my sir. These pets that you grow for Hadaf and my sir. Where's it? We got a stuffed animal for Hajia. And trying to find something for Imam right now, which is proven very difficult. Just got out of the Newport Aquarium, and behind me is Cincinnati. So we're in Kentucky right now, in Newport, Kentucky, and that is Cincinnati. We're going back to Cincinnati and heading home.